Here one Dave cooked D'Franco finishes, and we were looking at some walls, and yes, this is a flashlight. So what we were doing is looking for what is a level 5 finish when it comes to wallpaper. As you can see, you got a hole, you got a hole, you got that, you got holes, you got holes. So all that stuff shows up on the wallpaper. And we're doing digital graphics. So it's like using semi-gloss paint on a wall. So right there, it's not horrible. But as we progress up the wall, you can see where the gaps get worse, the humps, the bumps, all those little nooks, crannies that are on this wall. When you put a digital graphic, which is shiny on the wall, imagine this was this outside of your car. Would you want the outside of your car to look like this? Because this is what it will look like once the graphics are on there, because the graphics are using almost like a high gloss finish on the wall, and all of these imperfections, bubbles, divots, outlet covers that were never fixed, all those will come across in the graphics, except they'll come across 10 times worse than what they look now. You take the light off the wall, looks like a nice wall, but you put this on here, and there it is. And right now they have this light that's not working. There's more lights coming in here, and then you got the sunlight that hasn't quite come in yet, but once it gets onto the wall and you get the reflective on there, all this stuff is going to show up. So we're looking for the level 5 finish. The level 5 finish is that same smoothness needs to be on drywall. Now it's a wood door, but kind of get my point. That's how smooth it's got to be in order for it to be a level 5. No imperfections, no bumps, no dings, no outlet covers that haven't been patched right. You can kind of see, like, if that's the wall right there, I would take that as a level 5 finish. The only thing we would do is pole sand it first to get off some of those nibs for when they rolled it with the roller. Otherwise, that right there is actually a good section. The rest of it, however, is definitely level 3 at best. So there's some good tip for you for what to look for with a level 5 finish.